English Master TV presents the 100% guaranteed solution for bedbug elimination for less than $3. Are you tired of dealing with bedbug problems in your home or office? If your answer is yes, then Mectizan Capsules 3 mg is the solution you've been looking for. This capsule is taken orally and is both safe and effective. Dosage: adults, take 2 capsules per week. Children, take 1 capsule per week. Pregnant women, Mectizan is safe for pregnant women as well. If you have any questions or need more details, feel free to leave a comment below. If bedbugs have ever embarrassed you in public, you'll want to take this information seriously. Once you try this solution and see the results, be sure to appreciate this tip. I received it from a colleague at work, and after using it, my own bedbug problem was completely eliminated. I was so grateful that I returned to his house with a small gift to show my appreciation. Mectizan capsules are the only reliable solution for completely eliminating bedbugs from your home or office. Don't waste your time with other ineffective methods. Mectizan works in less than a month, and you'll be amazed by the results. What are bedbugs? Bedbugs, Cymex flexularius, are small, flat, parasitic insects that feed on human blood. They are reddish-brown, about 4 to 5 millimeters long, and have an oval shape. Signs of a bedbug infestation. 1. Visible bugs. Look for small, red-brown spots or live bugs in mattresses, box springs, bed frames, and nearby areas. 2. Blood stains. Check for small red or brown spots on sheets, pillowcases, or walls. 3. Dark spots. Bedbugs leave behind dark spots, fecal matter, on surfaces. 4. Sweet odor. A distinctive, sweet, musty smell often accompanies infestations. Emotional and psychological problems. 1. Stress and anxiety. The presence of bedbugs can lead to significant stress and anxiety. 2. Sleep disturbances. Bedbugs can disrupt sleep, causing fatigue and irritability. 3. Emotional distress. Infestations often lead to feelings of shame or embarrassment. Financial impacts. 1. Treatment costs. Getting rid of bedbugs can be costly, often running into hundreds or thousands of dollars. 2. Lost productivity. The stress or health effects of bedbugs can lead to missed work or school. 3. Property damage. Severe infestations can damage furniture, mattresses, and other personal belongings. Social consequences. 1. Social isolation. People may avoid socializing or inviting guests over due to shame about their infestation. 2. Stigma. Bedbug problems carry a social stigma, which can lead to embarrassment. 3. Relationship strain. Infestations can cause tension in relationships as individuals may disagree on treatment or blame one another. Conclusion. Mectizan capsules are the ultimate solution for permanently eliminating bedbugs from your home or office.